Why do I hate long contracts with legalese? The purpose of a contract is to put in writing the agreement of the parties. And so if you have a very long contract signed by two entrepreneurs who are going to go into business together, and let's imagine that contract has a lot of legalese. Usually, the business owners do not have a full grasp of all the terms, and they certainly don't understand a lot of the legalese that's in there. Many times, business owners present to me documents that are 10 to 20 pages long, sometimes 40, 50, or 100 pages long. I had this recently where two people were looking at going into business together. They used a template that they paid for online from one of these template services like LegalZoom. And this document was horrendous. It was over 100 pages long. It actually was a multi-part document. Contracts for this and contracts for this and bylaws. And these business owners had no idea what these particular documents meant. In fact, as I was looking at them, I realized it would take hours to read through this. And even then, I'd have to sit and have conversations with these business owners for hours, if not days, to figure out if the language in there actually reflected what the business owners intended. Unfortunately, business owners often find themselves signing very long documents that they don't fully understand, perhaps haven't fully read, but certainly the documents don't reflect the core concerns and interests of the business owner. So in my view, a very long document or a contract with a lot of legalese is a great disservice to business owners. Here's my approach to drafting contracts. I will ask the business owners, what are you giving to the other party and what are you getting from the other party? In other words, what is the exchange? What's most important to you? We need to make sure that is documented here. Next, what are the potential problems that could arise in the future? And how does that look? Next, we talk about what does the exit plan look like? If the parties need to leave this contract, is that process documented in the contract so that they don't have to go to court to try to terminate the contract? And then I look at it as an attorney using my years of experience and say, what other concerns are not addressed in here that typically would be in a contract? And what other terms are usually in a contract of this type that are not addressed here? That's my approach to drafting a contract. So although it may have a little bit more than what the business owners would actually talk through, it is going to be things that make perfect sense when a business owner reads it, and that's the beauty of a contract, when it reflects the actual concerns, goals, and terms that the business owners understand and sets an expectation for the future. So when problems arise, the business owners know where to go and what to look at in those contracts. If you had any questions that didn't get answered, feel free to put your questions in the comments section below. I'd be happy to answer them. If you would like exclusive online educational content for founders and business owners, you can get that at aaronhall.com/free. It includes a checklist of common problems faced by new businesses. It includes videos going in depth into some of those problems so that you are empowered to set up your company for success.